Yo, what's up guys? It's me, Chef Nel Sazon, and today I'm making butter chicken. For this recipe, we need a pack of chicken breasts, plain yogurt, heavy cream, 1 onion, black pepper, turmeric, ground cloves, tomatoes, salt, butter, 1 lemon, cloves of garlic, ginger, paprika, coriander ground nutmeg, cinnamon, ground cumin, and parsley flakes. First, we're going to start marinating the chicken. Let's take a bowl and put 1 cup of plain yogurt in the bowl. Next, let's add a tablespoon of grated ginger. Grate the ginger and add it to the bowl. Now it's time to add a tablespoon of grated garlic. This will enhance the dish with a deeper flavor. Now it's time to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric. The most important thing. To add an earthy flavor to this dish, we need to add 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. Since I don't have garam masala, I decided to make my own sazon to substitute it. For this special sazon, I'm going to take a small bowl and add a dash of ground coriander, ground cinnamon, ground nutmeg, black pepper, ground cloves, and paprika. Garam masala is special in making butter chicken due to the fact that it's a blend of various spices that adds depth and complexity to the dish. Once all those ingredients are in the bowl, mix it and turn it into your garam masala. And then you can add a teaspoon of that in the bowl and 1 teaspoon of pink salt. And our last ingredient will be juice from 1 lemon. This will add a tangy and fresh flavor that balances out the richness of the creamy sauce. And after that, just mix it all up. Once you've done that, be sure to wash the chicken breasts, cut them into cubes, add them to the bowl and blend. And now we can put this in the fridge to marinate overnight to allow the flavors of the spices and marinade ingredients to penetrate deeply into the meat. Now let's make the sauce. Grab a pot and add 2 tablespoons of butter and melt it. Let your butter melt and then let's chop our onion. Add the onions to the bowl and saute them a little. Now let's take 2 cloves of minced garlic and a tablespoon of grated ginger and add them to the pot. Once you've added those ingredients, mix it in with the onions. The onions are the base of flavor and sweetness of the sauce. Now let's take 2 tomatoes and karate chop them. Once you have karate chopped the tomatoes, add it to the pot and stir. The tomatoes give this sauce a good color and thickness. Now it's time for the important ingredient, 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Mix it in and add 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. And our last seasoning we can't forget is the garam masala. Add a teaspoon of garam masala to the pot and stir. If we want our sauce to be nice and creamy, add 1 cup of heavy cream to the pot and stir. Stir a little and once it changes color, add half a cup of water. Stir a little and add it to the blender for a smooth texture and uniform flavor. Now that our chicken has been marinating in the fridge overnight, we can use our same pot and cook our chicken while the sauce is mixing. Now I'm going to try the chicken to see if it goes well with the sauce. This is so good. I already have a feeling that this dish is going to be amazing. Now that our chicken is cooked through, let's add our sauce to the pot and mix until thickened. Let's stir it and after that, let it simmer uncovered so the sauce can thicken. Now that our sauce is thickened, let's add parsley flakes to garnish on top. Also, if you're wondering how to say buttered chicken in Spanish, it's pollo con mantequilla. Esta noche estoy comiendo pollo con mantequilla con arroz y naan. Alright, it's time to try the buttered chicken now, and I won't cap. This Indian cuisine looks so good. This butter chicken right here is outstanding. It tastes like you're eating at a restaurant. There are so many ingredients in this dish, it seems hard to believe I put them all together.
I approve.
This really tastes like restaurant food right here.
It's great, no?
Oh yeah. Alright, I'm gonna try it with the naan now. It's gonna be a lot times better with the naan.
Oh man. Put your foot in it.
Oh yeah.
Why do it? Tell me why? Yeah, Tommy. The guy who took a couple snaps and Juco wants answers. Why don't you lay on a beach getting fat on pina coladas? Why not buy a soccer team coat?
Tastes a lot better with the naan. Many of the ingredients I put in the sauce seem like unknown ingredients. No one would ever guess what I put in the sauce. Alright, this wraps up everything. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.